Welcome to Creative World viewers. In this video, we will solve an electrical circuits problem. Problem states that what will be the value of current I in given circuit below. This is the circuit and we have to calculate the value of I current through this circuit. Option A 6.4 ampere, option B 8.1 ampere, option C 5.7 ampere and option D 9.2 ampere. You may pause the video and solve it by yourself to find the correct answer. Okay, let's solve the problem. We will start reducing the circuit to calculate total resistance because this current is total current of this network, and for the calculation of this total current we should have total resistance of this circuit. We will start from right side. These two resistances are connected in series. Their combined resistance will be sum of these two resistances values, that will become 8 ohm. Now these two resistances are in parallel and both have same value. We know the formula for parallel resistances with same values. That is, total resistance will be equal to R divided by N. N is the number of resistances connected in parallel and R is the value of a single resistance. Remember, this formula will applicable only for the parallel resistances with same values. Enter the values into equation and we got the parallel combination of these two resistances is 4 ohm. Now these two 4 ohm resistances are connected in series. Their total resistance will be 8 ohm. Now again these two resistances have same value and connected in parallel. Their combined resistance will be 4 ohm. At this stage 6 ohm and 4 ohm resistances became parallel. Let's calculate their cumulative value. Because these two resistances are connected in parallel and they have different values, so we will use general formula for the calculation of parallel resistances. RT will be equal to 6 multiplied by 4 divided by 6 plus 4. Their result will be 2.4 ohm. Now this 2.4 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in parallel. Their combined resistance will be 2.4 multiplied by 4 divided by 2.4 plus 4, that is 1.5 ohm, and circuit will reduced further. Now these two resistances are connected in series and their combined resistance will be 3.5 ohm. Now we have total resistance, total voltage across this circuit. We can calculate the total current I through this circuit. That will be voltage divided by total resistance, and the answer is 5.714 ampere. So the right answer is option C, 5.7 ampere. Thank you. See you again in next video.